Matagitigana ucio cia agreement yote ni ati Komiconi iria ithurimaga mĩcaara ya aruti wĩra a mũingĩ SRC yugĩte gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa mbeca cia mũingĩ kĩrahũthĩka kũrĩha mĩcaara thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti, ũndũ ũrĩa ũrathingithia ũthii wa nambere. Akĩaria kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a, mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Komiconi ĩno augĩte gatiba yathanĩte mĩcaara ndĩgakĩre gĩcunjĩ kĩa 35 kĩa igoti rĩrĩa rĩũnganagio bũrũri-inĩ. SRC yugĩte gũkinyĩria rĩu no kaunti ithathatũ ithiĩte kana cithiĩte na mbere na kũiga na gũtĩĩa watho ũyũ.
We pay almost 51 to almost to 54% of our total wage bill toward salaries, and the law says we pay to 35%, and therefore some advices have come that we consider cutting down our employees, which we find it inhumane. We still want every employee to stay with us, but we are racing strongly towards increasing our revenue without increasing taxes, and also we are now freezing employment, except now for the very, very critical areas, particularly in the health sectors for the dispensaries that we have opened. But the truth is Murang'a struggles with the wage bill, and it's an area that requires a lot of thinking.
We have 6 counties that have already complied to the 35% threshold. We are working on the others, and the other 41 counties to make sure they also comply. As a country, we are making good progress in terms of managing the wage bill. Just to give you an idea, in 2020, we were 55% as a country. That is counties and national government. But we are glad that last year we're looking at about 40%. But there's still a long way to go, which is as a country to move from 40% to 35%. And we have a very short time to achieve that.
Na ripoti hiyo ni